Okay, this is my first KIM-1 video, and I'm going to have to do a small repair on my KIM-1. I'm having a problem reading cassette tapes back into the KIM-1. It seems I can send them out to the tape, but I can't read them back. So I'm running uh, what's called the Pll Set program that is on let's see, it's on page 129 of the first book of Kim. So, as you can see over here, I have a ribbon cable coming from the application edge connector and plugged into a breadboard. And since the pins I want are actually here on this backside, I ran some wires underneath the ribbon cable over here to this socket. And really all I need is PA0, which is the very first pin here. And I have that connected over here to my ear jack or my audio in cable. So I've already loaded the program. I'm just going to step through it real quick to make sure it's okay. It starts at 1780 with an A9, 07, 8D, 42, 17, A9, 01, 8D, 01, 17, 85, A9, A7F, 8T, and 41. And as I've already really examined this already, I already know that everything is okay. C0, CF, F0, and CB. So everything's correct. I'm going to go back to address 1780. I got my A9, and we just press go. Now what we're going to see here is we're going to see a bunch of zeros, which I believe is the correct response, or we're going to see a bunch of L's or sevens. L's means that the PPL test line is low, and 7 means it's high. So let's see what we have here. I press go. Oh, looks like I'm getting all L's. Now what I'm supposed to do is adjust BR1 here, I'm assuming, until I get zeros or a combination of sevens and L's. Let's see. Let's see what happens if we adjust this. Okay, we're getting all zeros now. We're heading that way. There's sevens. Boy, talk about a tight little window here. There's like, that's a tight window. I'm going from L to 7. What happens if I keep going? It just keeps coming back around to L's or 7s. I can't find any way to make something different. To get to 0 is like, I thought I saw something nice there, but There we go. Now that's looking better, right? That's probably the best I'm going to get. That's looking good. Now we'll just have to see if it actually works. All right. Now comes the moment of truth. I have my tape recorder hooked back up here, and I have a program that I was able to export from the KIM-1 to tape, but I was never able to restore it back to the KIM-1. So now that we did the Pll set and things looked all right, we should be able to restore this small program from the tape back to the KIM-1. So let's get started. Let's start at address 00F1 and DA. We're going to put a 00 in there. Then we're going to go to address 17F9, and that's where you store the program ID. So we're going to DA01. And then finally, we're going to go to address 1873, and that's where the restore program is stored in ROM. So all we have to do now is press go and play on our tape recorder, and hopefully we'll see all zeros show up here. So let's press go and press play. Now it's a short program, so it shouldn't stay dark very long. There we go. All right, restore works. Now if I go to address 000, we see our 05, 18 at 2. Yep, that's our program. All right, the restore worked. The Pll Set program helped repair the audio in problem that I was having to start with. So anyhow, thanks for watching.